Let's start with a quick question. Which outfit do you think is more comfortable? Got your answer? I thought so. But here's the kicker. What if I told you that comfort is about way more than just how soft or stretchy your clothes are? Stick with me because in this video, I'm going to share the secret to feeling truly comfortable and looking effortlessly stylish, no matter your occasion. But now, let's switch things up. Picture this. You're heading out to a nice dinner with someone you admire, date night, low lights, elegant decor, maybe a bottle of wine, or say you're going to a conference or exhibition. Now let me ask you that same question. Which of these outfits would you feel a little bit more comfortable in? See the difference? When we think about the time, place, and occasion, it's clear that some settings call for something a bit more refined. If I'm being honest, showing up to a classy restaurant in sportswear would make me feel completely out of place, self-conscious even. If I went to an industry conference where there will be a lot of networking and I was caught underdressed, I'm gonna make excuses if I bump into someone I know why I was dressed so casually instead of confidently owning the moment. Have you ever felt that way? This brings me to the real point. Comfort isn't just physical, it's mental and emotional too. Feeling at ease in your clothes is about how you present yourself to the world and how that makes you feel inside. But here's the problem. Fit. If your clothes don't fit well, they'll never feel comfortable, no matter how stylish they are. Second is fear. A lot of guys worry about getting it wrong, so they just avoid dressing up altogether. It's easier to throw on sportswear and go out and call it a day, right? The good news is that dressing well doesn't have to be complicated or uncomfortable, and I'm here to help you with these two simple solutions. First, we're gonna nail the fit. This is the foundation of comfort and style. I'm gonna share 3 tips to help you find clothes that flatter your body and feel amazing. Second, simplify your style. I'll share 3 foolproof tips to help you elevate your look effortlessly. Before we jump into the solutions, if you guys enjoyed this video and find the content helpful and believe we'd all be better off dressed with a bit more class while being comfortable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe. Maybe even share this with another gentleman who could use a little style upgrade. Let's keep raising that bar together, guys. Let's talk fit, starting with a big myth, slim fit. Most of us, we grew up believing that slim fit was the gold standard thanks to big brands marketing skinny fit as sleek, modern, and stylish. We saw those chiseled dudes in their tight clothes and thought, hey, if I wear that, I'm gonna look like that too, right? Spoiler alert, I tried and it doesn't work for me. Not only is slim fit restrictive, but it's also uncomfortable. After 20 years of experimenting, I found that classic fit chinos and trousers are far more comfortable than those crotch-squeezing skinny pants. Trust me, once you try them, you won't go back. I even made a video all about it, and I encourage you to check it out. Here's a game-changing tip. When it comes to trousers, don't focus solely on the waist size. The real key to comfort lies in the hips. If your pants fit in your hips properly, the waist can actually be easily altered. But if you compromise on the hips, you'll either feel restricted or end up with a baggy, unflattering fit. I've made a detailed video about how trousers should fit, covering 4 essential checkpoints, so please be sure to check that out here. Let's talk jackets, guys. A tailored jacket can transform your look, but only if it fits correctly. And here's the thing, comfort in a jacket isn't about it being tight. That waisted shape that you're after, it comes from the construction, canvassing, shoulder work, even the shaping done through ironing work. When you button your jacket, you should have just enough breathing room, a fist's width between your waist and the fabric. If you want to deep dive into jacket fit, I've covered 6 key points in another video, so please don't miss that. Think you need a total wardrobe overhaul to dress better? Not at all. In fact, my very first video was about building an 8-item capsule wardrobe for beginners. With just these essentials, you'll be set for work, conferences, weekends, and even date nights. Less is more when you're starting out. Trust me on this. Synthetic blends dominate sportswear, but they come with downsides. They look cheap, they feel unnatural, and are terrible for the environment. Instead, offer natural materials like cotton, wool, and linen. Swap that polyester hoodie for a wool sweater or that synthetic tee for a cotton polo. Not only will you look sharper, but you'll also feel more comfortable and make a small but meaningful impact on the planet. Check out my video on fabrics about wool, cotton, and linen if you want to go on a little deep dive about suiting fabrics. For years, I avoided wearing black, thinking it was reserved for formal events or somber occasions. But lately, I've been incorporating black knitwear, trousers, and jackets into my wardrobe, and it's been a game changer. Black is elegant, it's timeless. It bridges that gap between classical and modern style, making it a versatile choice for any wardrobe. I've got a full video on styling with black, so I'll share that with you here. With the right fit, quality fabrics, and a simplified approach to styling, you'll not only look amazing, but also feel confident and comfortable in any setting. This is how you elevate your style without overcomplicating things. Thanks for watching, guys.